Bernese Mountain Dog and loud noises, fear and anxiety. The Bernese Mountain Dog is a gentle and friendly breed known for its loyalty and intelligence. However, like any dog, they can also experience fear and anxiety, especially when it comes to loud noises. In this article, we will explore why Bernese Mountain Dogs are more prone to fear and anxiety when exposed to loud noises and how we can help them overcome it. Understanding Bernese Mountain Dogs. Bernese Mountain Dogs belong to the working dog group and were originally bred to pull carts and herd cattle. They have a calm and confident demeanor, making them great family pets. However, due to their working heritage, they are also naturally alert and sensitive to their surroundings. This heightened sensitivity is one reason why loud noises can cause fear and anxiety in them. Causes of fear and anxiety in Bernese Mountain Dogs. There can be several reasons why Bernese Mountain Dogs experience fear and anxiety when faced with loud noises. One major factor is their heightened sense of hearing. Their ears are larger and more sensitive compared to other breeds, allowing them to hear even the faintest of sounds. Consequently, loud noises such as thunderstorms, fireworks, or even household appliances can be overwhelming for them. Another factor contributing to their fear and anxiety is their innate protective instinct. Bernese Mountain Dogs are known to be protective of their families, and loud noises can trigger their instinct to guard and protect their loved ones. They may interpret the loud noises as a threat and respond with fear or anxiety. Effects of fear and anxiety on Bernese Mountain Dogs. Fear and anxiety can have a detrimental impact on the overall well-being of a Bernese Mountain Dog. It can cause behavioral issues such as excessive barking, destructive chewing, or even aggression. The constant exposure to loud noises can lead to chronic anxiety in these dogs, further deteriorating their mental and physical health. Helping Bernese Mountain Dogs overcome fear and anxiety. Fortunately, there are various strategies and techniques to assist Bernese Mountain Dogs in managing their fear and anxiety when faced with loud noises. Here are some effective ways to help them. 1. Gradual desensitization. Introduce your Bernese Mountain Dog to loud noises in a controlled and gradual manner. Start with low-volume sounds and gradually increase the intensity over time. Pair the noises with positive experiences such as treats or playtime to create a positive association. 2. Counterconditioning. Teach your dog to associate loud noises with positive experiences. For example, during fireworks season, place them in a safe and comfortable space, and engage in activities they enjoy, such as puzzle toys or interactive games. This helps redirect their focus away from the noise and onto something positive. 3. Provide a safe haven. Create a safe and secure space for your Bernese Mountain Dog where they can retreat during loud noise events. This can be a designated room or a cozy den-like area filled with their favorite toys and bedding. Make sure to avoid punishment or forcing them out of their haven when they seek solace. 4. Consult a professional. If your Bernese Mountain Dog's fear and anxiety persist despite your best efforts, consider seeking professional help. A certified dog behaviorist or trainer can provide personalized guidance and techniques to address their specific needs. Conclusion. Bernese Mountain Dogs are beautiful creatures that deserve love, care, and understanding. Their fear and anxiety towards loud noises can be managed through gradual desensitization, counterconditioning, providing a safe haven, and seeking professional assistance when needed. By implementing these strategies, we can help our beloved Bernese Mountain Dogs lead a happy and anxiety-free life.